Hey, would you like to turn your fear into your greatest ally and become unstoppable? Everyone tries to eliminate fear, but true learning to dance with it is what makes you unstoppable. I get it. Fear can feel paralyzing and keep you stuck in the same place. It makes you miss out on opportunities and your dreams. It's scary, right? It's okay. It's okay to admit. But what if I told you that learning to dance with your fear instead of trying to eliminate it, it can actually propel you forward? Today I'm sharing three powerful lessons that will help you to embrace your fear and use them to your advantage. Awesome, isn't it? Let's dive in. Lesson 1. Fear is a sign of growth. Yes, you heard it right. Feeling fear means you are pushing your boundaries and stepping out of your comfort zone. It's not something to avoid, but something to embrace as a sign that you are growing. I was terrified to speak on the stage, but once I embraced that fear, it led me to incredible opportunities and personal growth. Lesson 2. Dance with fear, don't fight it. Instead of resisting fear, learn to coexist with it. Acknowledge it, understand it, and use its energy to fuel your actions rather than letting it hold you back. When I started my new business, fear was constant. Instead of fighting it, I used it to drive my passion and creativity. Lesson 3. Fear can be a teacher. Fear often points to areas where you need to develop and improve. Use it as a tool to learn more about yourself and what you need to overcome. Facing fear of my failure taught me resilience and the importance of the perseverance. It became my greatest teacher. So, are you ready to turn your fear into your superpower? Drop a star in the comments and let's talk about how you are going to dance with your fears. And of course, it will help you to dance with your peers. Okay, don't forget to follow me for more tips on embracing your journey. Thank you, and I see you soon with yet another short, stunning video like this.